videotaping. That looks so cool, right?
You can smell the leaf, the grass, ¿verdad?
Mm-hmm.
You don't smell it?
I smell it now.
When I was sitting there, you couldn't smell it.
Oh,
We
those
can't.
windows don't open. They locked.
We wish we could open them.
Because we don't want none of you guys to run out of here.
No, no, no.
They can't even climb the walls.
You know how to climb walls? No. Be careful, Walter, okay?
I know how to climb one for them.
Por eso tiene que estar más pegado, se está cayendo más en el piso.
No, right?
Pero me imagino que eso lo recogen. Who you like? Who you like? Mira, son las 10:01 ahora, Bárbara. That would be a cool job en esta calor.
You're right. They probably baking.
Tiene que tener caja de agua.
They're gonna put that big tree stump in there. Yep.
Sí, pero eso es un peligro, ¿verdad?
Pero mira, they chopped it up in seconds, Annabelle. That's so cool.